Okay, so this one says, again, approximate the solution using 3 iterations of successive approximation. Use the graph as a starting point. Now, what you're supposed to do is, it's a process where you pick a point that you think it is, and then that gives you an error. You plug that back in, and then you should get a value, okay, of where it's intersected. I'm just going to graph it because that's I'm okay with just graphing it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to graph. I'm going to say 1 divided by 2 times x raised to the 3rd power plus x minus 7. That's the left-hand side of the equal sign. And I'm going to make that color red because that's what I want to do. Then I'm going to graph -3 times the square root of x minus 1. That's blue. So as you can see here, it's going to cross right here. So let's take a screenshot of that. So it only crosses once. Okay. So let's see which one of these is closest to this. Now, the reason I'm not the biggest fan of the iteration is when it's a calculus concept, although this is really an Algebra 2 method. But you don't use this method until calculus. So the iteration thing, I don't. You could just do this on a graphing calculator. It's a lot easier and quicker. So one of these is equal to 1.76. Let's find out which one it is. Let me move this out of the way. 13 divided by 8. I feel like it should be over 16. That's not it. 25 divided by 16. That's not it. 15 divided by 8. That's closer. Which one's closest? Let's do the last one, see what we get. 27 divided by 16. I think that one's the closest. So that should be my answer is D. So D is the correct answer.